Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to earn some money for yourself online copying and pasting text as a proofreader. You don't need any investments or previous skill or sell anything online, and it's available worldwide, and you can do this on your laptop or on your tablet. So with that being said, welcome to Online Money Tactics, and on this channel I talk about making money online, and I talk about sites that pay you, apps that pay you for you to do stuffs online and make money online. So if today is the first time of you coming to my channel, I would really appreciate you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome content, YouTube is going to notify you that hey, Online Money Tactics just posted a new video. And if at the end of this video or during this video you gain any value, leave a like on this video. I'm going to appreciate that, and share this video with your friends, because I want us all to win. As you're winning, your friends are winning, I'm winning, everybody's winning, and everybody is happy. So with that being said, let's go straight right into the video. And the site I want to talk about today is a brand new site, and it's called HireSign. HireSign.com. Maybe you might have heard about this website, but I'm going to be showing you, walking you through this website and how you can make money on this website. This is a place where you can find various jobs online, and they vary from like simple tasks to typing jobs to a bit more complex and jobs and skill requiring jobs such as translation, typing, proofreading, and all of that. And I want you to stick with me on this video, because I'll be showing you the particular job you're going to be focusing on this video, and also show you a free tool you can use that will help you do this job, that will do this job for you. You don't need to do much of the work to get paid with this website. So if you come on here, you scroll down and you see what this website is all about. Like I just said, if you come on here to current openings, it's going to bring you to this place, and you're going to see the jobs that are available for you to do. They have typing jobs, they have proofreading. Typing jobs, you might need a little bit of typing skills to apply for this typing job, like probably a little bit of typing speed as well to apply for this typing job. You should at least have a knowledge of MS Word and the rest of likes of that, MS Word, PowerPoint, and all of that. And as you can see, they pay you between $4 and $6 per page. That's like 2,000 words per page. So you might need a little bit of skill to apply for this particular job. They will have proofreading here. You need at least a decent amount of English knowledge to proofread. We will have to give you a text or a document for you to proofread, to identify the errors with the text they've sent to you, and you correct them. Other things you can do on this website, other jobs that are available, they have paid surveys, they have graphic designs that require skills, they have PowerPoint presentations that you can do with PowerPoint or Canva, they have spreadsheet entry job, you can do that as well. You can do voice recognition job, online advertisements, language translation jobs. Those are the jobs that are available on this website. All of these jobs require one skill or the other to apply for any one of them. But on today's video, I'm going to be advising or telling you to focus on proofreading jobs, because I'm going to be showing you a tool you use to proofread any text or document that will be sent to you by HireSign. You just have to put it there. The tool will do all the proofreading for you. All you just have to do is copy it and paste it back to them. They earn money just doing that. So what you want to do, if you want to apply for proofreading, you come on here and you click on proofreading. Then it will take you to this website. It will take you to this other page. Sorry, it will take you to this other page. Once you come on here, this is what this page is going to look like. If you come on here, you see the requirements it needs for you to be a proofreader on this website. You must be 16 years old and above. You have desktop, Microsoft Office installed, like I said earlier, internet, a mobile phone to remain in touch with client efficiency and all of that. You can come on here and check that out. Once you come on here, you scroll down a little bit, and click on here, apply to be an online proofreader, and it's going to take you to this next website. It's going to take you to this next page. I'm all about websites, showing you website that pays you. So it's going to take you to this next page, and this is how this page looks like. As you can see, review the hiring process. You can do that. Submit a job, then complete sample text that can be sent to you. Next, you want to do is click on submit job application. It's going to take you to this next site. This is how it's going to look like. The next page is going to open for you. The next thing, you want to click on apply now. You want to click on apply now and take you to this next page. Once it take you to this next page, now you can see you can fill in your details, your username, first name, last name, age, select your notice period. I'll advise you leave it at immediately. Then go ahead and fill in all other details. After filling these details and you click register, what they will do is that they'll send you a document or a text for you to proofread. That's the test if you actually have a good decent amount of English knowledge to proofread whatever that they will be sending to you. So once they send you, now you're going to use this tool. Now I'm going to be showing you the tool you're going to use to proofread this document or text they'll be sending to you. And that tool is called Grammarly.com. Yeah, Grammarly.com is a tool that will help you proofread whatever document they are going to send to you. Hiresign is going to send to you. So all you just have to do is proofread it here, copy the text. That's why I said you make money copying and pasting text. So you copy the text or the documents they're going to send you and you paste it here, and Grammarly is going to identify the errors on this document for you. And once you fix the errors, you copy it and paste it back to them, and they will accept you into their team of proofreaders and start making money online. That is how you make money online on this website. So whatever documents they be giving you from henceforth after being approved, you bring it on here and you paste it on here. And they have the app. You can download this Grammarly. You can download Grammarly into your computer and start using it, or you can just create an account already and start proofreading. So I went online and just looked for I just looked for an article, a random article online, and I'm just going to copy that. We're going to copy this article and paste it right here. And Grammarly is going to calculate, and you see on here, if you scroll down on here, you see all the mistakes in this text, in this article. So all you just have to do is correct them. As you can see, correct that. Same thing with this one. So that's how you correct it. That's how you correct all of the mistakes in these articles. Then after correcting them, then you send it back to Hiresign and they will approve you immediately. And that is how you make money online. So as you can see, that's it. And as you can see, I've corrected all the articles on there, and it's checking to see if it has its more suggestions. Just do that, and that's it. So once you're done correcting all the errors, all you just have to do is copy it right here, and you come back on here to Hiresign and paste it here, and you get paid or you get accepted first. Then whichever document is saying prior or as time goes on, take it to Grammarly, you paste it there. You take it to Grammarly, you paste it there, and Grammarly is going to edit it for you, read it for you, and you fix the errors that it's going to show you on this other side of the screen. Then copy it and paste it back to the higher sign. That is how you make money copying text, copying and pasting text online. So that is it on this video, guys, and thank you for watching to this very time in the video. I really appreciate that. If I did before watching this video or bring this video again any value, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be bringing you more awesome videos on how to make money online, and share this video with your friends as well. For more awesome ways to make money online, there are 2 videos popping up on your screen right now. Just go check them out, and I'm sure you're going to make money online after watching those videos. And like I always say, don't just watch these videos, go into action, take action, do what is being taught. Definitely you're going to come out successful and everybody's going to smile. So till I see you in my next video, stay blessed.